In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Jotform in Squarespace. If you've ever wanted to incorporate customized forms into your Squarespace website seamlessly, this quick guide is for you. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or just starting out, this process is straightforward and will be completed in no time. First things first, you'll want to ensure that you have your Jotform code on hand. This is essential because you'll be embedding this code directly into your Squarespace site. So, either have the code copied to your clipboard or have it readily accessible from your Jotform account. Preparation is key, and having the code ready to go will make the rest of this process even smoother. Now, let's head over to Squarespace. Navigate to the Squarespace website on your preferred browser. Once you're there, you'll need to click on the Get Started button. This will guide you to the platform where you can manage and edit your site. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your details. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the Squarespace dashboard. At the dashboard, you'll want to click on Edit Site. This is your gateway to making all the necessary changes to your website, including embedding your Jotform. By clicking Edit Site, you open up the editing mode, which allows you to customize your pages. With the editing mode activated, search for the area where you want to embed your Jotform. Look for the option to add a new block, an essential step in placing content on your site. Here you will see various options pop up. What you're looking for is the Embed Code block. Click on this option to proceed. Now, paste the Jotform code that you have saved or copied earlier into the provided space. It's important to make sure that the code is pasted correctly, as any errors here will affect how it displays on your site. This step is crucial because it's where your Jotform becomes part of your Squarespace site. Once you've pasted your code, take a moment to double-check that everything looks good and your form appears as expected. After confirming that your form is embedded correctly, click Save to publish your changes. This final step ensures that all your hard work is preserved and that your form is live on your site. And there you have it. Your Jotform is now successfully embedded into your Squarespace website. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy the flexibility and convenience of having customized forms on your site to engage with your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy website customizing.